Hi guys, I'm Super Blue Bubble, and I go to say you what can do to save and care the environment to a new and best planet. Number 1. We can say what for a best world we can reduce the cars use. And we can start to use more bike. Number 2. Well, unlucky persons are put so much garbage in the water, oceans, lakes, lagoons, and others. But they don't think in the aquatic animals. They are so affected. We need to change this way to think. Oh my god, she's softly. Oh, hi. Yes, I'm super softly. I am do a comic or cartoon. It's of the pollution, and as I can help to improve. I think that you can help me. Yes. Okay, continue. Number 3. We think what we did is sufficient, but no. We can do more to repair the environment. Yes, how? To separate the residue, organic, inorganic, recyclable, reusable, and the others. It is correct. Thanks for your help. Well, and we can do more than just for care the world. But it's of night and it's raining. We go to rest. Thank you. Take care. Bye.